In recent months, we have been obliterated and the market has not been looking too hot. The fear and greed index, though, is slowly but surely recovering. It is now at 29, guys. We saw this go all the way down into the deep reds, into the 10s and stuff. Bitcoin is flat on the day compared to the rest of the market assets. We do have the S&P 500 right here at all-time highs today. If we zoom in on the chart, guys, you can clearly see this, that the American stocks are now all rallying to all-time highs. Just look at the NASDAQ. We have next here going straight back to its all-time high, up plus 0.1%. And the Dow Jones here as well, nearly at its all-time high, plus 0.14%. Now the Russell 2000 index is back down today. It's actually at minus 0.65, but that's only because it just had this massive rally. The other day, the Russell 2000 went up 2.5% in one day. So that's why it's just coming back down for a correction. And as you can see here, it's very close to its all-time high, right? Which it actually made on December the 12th, just recently, last week. So that's also at all-time highs. And the US 30 stock, Wall Street stock index is even at its all-time highs as well. Look at that, guys. Just really a few percentage off from creating brand new all-time highs for all of the US stock markets. Pretty interesting. For reference here is the UK stock markets as well as an example. So European and UK stock markets are also up at their highs, about to make new all-time highs. So the dollar is going down. We have the dollar at 98. Okay. Actually, it went as low as 97.8. So this could be about to break down this $98 level. If the dollar, the US dollar index, which is the DXY, goes lower than here, so if it goes another 1.91% down and gets to this point, the 76.2 level is its final support. If it breaks this support level for the dollar, this is actually good news for crypto markets and all the risk assets, because it would mean right that the market would break and go down like this. It would go all the way down potentially to around 90, 80. Well, it wouldn't drop as low as 80 that quickly, but it would be on its way. It would be all the way down here around 89 or 90 level, and 88.3 level are its next to lower range supports. It has all of this choppy support along the way, but this is a massive level that the dollar moving downwards would change everything about the direction of the markets. We will probably see Bitcoin explode back up to all-time high. It doesn't matter what anyone thinks or any of the other things. The dollar has the power single-handedly to push Bitcoin up. That is how powerful this US dollar index is at guiding the markets, because it basically controls all of these bonds as well, and the bonds control the dollar. So they're both related vice versa to each other. And if we can see this here, we did recently see the US bonds going down also, and so now the yields are going back up, which means the bonds are going down today in value. Across the US yield curve, that's the 10-year treasury and the 30-year treasury also, so keep an eye on that. The bond markets, like I said, and the US